finished our 2 coats of undercoat. It's now time for the top coat. Remember, this time round, we need to mask up all the woodwork because we don't want to get any of the top coat onto the white woodwork. Now from this point, we're really going to start to see the transformation of the room. We're going to start by painting where the ceiling meets the wall edge. This is called the cutting in and applies to all edges. Working our way around the room, taking our time so we get a really nice professional finish. Don't overload the brush as you will make it harder to get that nice finish. Push the brush against the wall like this. Not too hard, just so the bristles fan out. Then slowly and steadily work along the edge. Repeat this process around the room. Now when you start painting your walls, just as we did with the ceilings, always start in a corner near a light source. Then working in bands, work across the wall, remembering your W action. Try not to take a break halfway through a wall, try and complete the whole wall first, otherwise you could get some tide marks. And then repeat this process on all your other walls. Again, it's advisable to give a minimum of 2 coats to get a really good finish. Of course, you need to let the first coat dry first and check your tin for drying times, but it's usually around 2 hours.